Klaviyo Email Marketing Tutorial 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, we're going to be discussing about Klaviyo and how you can use it for, your email marketing, your automations, and all that stuff. It's going to be a pretty nice and, detailed tutorial, so please do make sure to watch this till the end and listen to all the information I have to provide you with. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So here we are on Klaviyo, okay? Now, basically, it's just klaviyo.com. Now, once you head over here, you're gonna, get greeted with a very nice user interface. Looks pretty nice and warm. And here you can see, earn more from your marketing tech. In 2022, Klaviyo customers earned $14 billion in untapped revenue through behavior-based automation. So as you can see, it's a pretty trustworthy automation. Looks good, seems good. And here we have it. We have all their statistics, 100,000 plus Klaviyo customers with 300 plus tech integrations. Pretty good stuff. Email marketing for e-commerce. Okay. Advanced personalization for maximizing repeat sales and order values. Klaviyo helps you avoid spending effort on low impact emails that leave money on the table. VIP exclusive product announcements, discount emails for bargain shoppers, newsletters based on product line, store opening invites based on location, and product suggestions based on quizzes. Then you can also get the right tools for retaining customers and increasing your ROI. And obviously, advanced email segmentation can be taken into account. Target your audience using any combo of behavior, okay, profile property, location, list, predicted LTV or order date, and more. Behavior-based automation automatically send messages based on channel engagement, profile or event data, predictive analysis, and other platform data. Also have customizable templates. Start with proven e-commerce templates. Okay, add dynamic content based on coupons, browsing activity, and product preferences. You also have targeted forms. Subscribe more visitors and re-engage customers with forms based on time on page, number of visits, device, or segment. And as you can see, 100,000 plus very trusted brands use Klaviyo, like Glossier, Something Navy, Cravings, Bear Paw, Gravity, Vile Alaskan Company, and obviously you have tons and tons of more customers. Okay, now obviously you can check that out later if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead into the pricings, discuss all of this, and then let's just get into it. Now, estimate your price. How many contacts do you have on an estimate? Okay, now it could be 1,000 till 1,500. It could be less than that. It could be more than that. But obviously, depending on that, they're going to give you an estimated monthly. Okay, so obviously go ahead and you could say add like the necessary number needed. And let's say it's 251 till 500. Now, the email and SMS, or just the email plan, where you can obviously only do the email stuff, it starts at $20 per month. Take the next step in your email marketing with a simple solution that personalizes at scale. Now you have obviously this much context, 5,000 monthly email sends, mobile push notifications, 150 free monthly SMS MMS credits, includes applicable SMS carrier fees, email and chat support. And obviously this is the same as this, but in this, make your marketing go even further by reaching customers through both email and SMS. So that's the fun thing about this one. But obviously we're gonna go with the free one. The free one is also not pretty bad. Perfect for getting started and trying out Klaviyo's customer platform. Contact limit, obviously, until it's exceeded, you're gonna stay on the free plan. 500 monthly email sends, and the rest is pretty much the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and here's the sign up process. Okay, now basically I'm gonna be using a temp mail to basically sign myself up with all of this. But if you're doing this for the long run and you want to create an actual account, then I suggest using a proper email. I'm only using a temp mail because I'm gonna dispose this account after this video. So yeah, obviously we know that temp mail is disposable email. So yeah, you get the point. Now you're gonna add your email, and then you're gonna add the rest of your things, like you have your password and everything. Then you have your company name. I'm just gonna go with something random. You could have a company website, okay? again. I'm just gonna write something totally random. There you go. You just put in your phone number. How will you be using Klaviyo? Now, Klaviyo could be for your own business or your client's business. I'm gonna go with my own business. This isn't the case if someone, hires you on Fiverr or someplace like that to create something for them. This isn't that case. Now, you could, ask them for a walkthrough and stuff, but I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna go on I'm not a robot. Okay. Now I just fill in their survey, go with whatever they're asking you to do. And once you verified yourself, just click on create account and there you go. Now obviously you're gonna head into the account setup. Now here, as you can see, is your account setup. Select your business platform. Your platform connects you to Klaviyo to pull in real-time customer data. Okay. Now you have Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento 2, PrestaShop, Salesforce, Wix, Square, and Custom. Go ahead and choose any of your business platform. Let's say I'm gonna go with I don't use any of these. Right now we're starting off fresh. So if you're starting off fresh, obviously you're gonna script that. How many contacts do you have? I'm gonna go with less than 1,000. Now, once you go with that, obviously go ahead and add your, billing address. And once you've added all of this, I'm gonna just add the necessary information. And once we've done that, just go ahead, add your sender information. Just add in, your sender email that you're gonna send from. So there we are. Now click on continue, and here we are. So how do you want to reach your audience? SMS is currently only available in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Okay, so just go ahead and mess with this as much as you want to. Let's go with email and SMS, because if you have both, that's just, amazing. Now it's going to ask you to, confirm your email. So here we are. Just go ahead and quickly confirm it. And, once you're on confirm your email, let's just wait for it to load. Here we go. Now it onboards us, and here you are in your dashboard. Now, obviously, you're set up with your Klaviyo account. Now, to do your email marketing and stuff, all you're going to do is you're going to come up to campaigns, okay? And once you're in campaigns from here on out, as you can see, you get all of this. So you're going to click on create campaign and obviously choose whatever automation or marketing you want. Obviously, we're going to go with email. So you're going to click on that. Okay. Once you do that, just choose a good date. I'm going to choose this, click on save and continue. And once you wait a second, there we go. And once you've chosen that, you're just going to click on save and continue. Choose a name. Okay. I'm going to name it randomly, choose a random tag. Go ahead and add recipients if you want to. And once you're done with that, it's going to estimate the number of recipients. You can turn on tracking as well if you want to. And once you do that, you're going to click on continue to content. And once this happens, basically, yeah, that's pretty much it. You're going to be, pretty good to go from here. Just write in your campaign content, click on continue to review. And from there on out, you have your email campaign, you have the marketing campaign, and from there on out, you just market it around. And yeah, that's basically going to be it. Now, that's basically it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make more for you. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.